Hi people, the point is show up every day. Even now, I want to speak. I want to speak in English. I want to improve my communication. You know, yesterday I obsessed a lot about my progression, about my pronunciation, about my communication, about my explanation about Terraform topics. It's all like intimidation. But today I experienced myself speaking subconsciously in English and speaking without intimidation and without hesitation, without fumbling with my sister. I spoke with my sister in English subconsciously. I mean that I spoke without intimidation, I spoke without creating sentences, I spell it, I spoke. Just I did it. But I obsessed a lot because I am not focusing on the task I want. I am not paying attention on the task at hand. I am sitting on the desk and I am trying to work. I am trying to improve my clarity. I am trying to improve my communication, improve my knowledge on Terraform. How could I do it? So I know about Terraform. I know how it works and what it is meant for, and what it will happen and how it will work. But the ideas that are there in my mind, they didn't have clarity at all. That's what I am struggling. So to get clarity what I know, I need to write a lot. If I write a lot, I structure my thoughts clearly. If I structure my thoughts clearly, I will speak more clearly. I will speak much clearly. So I am trying to enhance my clarity in Terraform. So to enhance my clarity on Terraform topics, I need to pay attention on what I am doing. But that's what I am struggling with. Yes, I know about Tratakyan meditation. I have been doing it, I have been practicing it from the past 3 months, but nothing is working out for me. But still, I am doing it consistently to improve my attention on the task at hand. No matter what, I just have to improve my attention first of all. So for that, from tomorrow onwards, I will set a timer. I will set timer for 2 minutes. And if I get distracted with my thoughts, immediately I return to the present. I return back to present and pay attention on the task at hand. I am distracting with my illusions like this. With a span of time, I am distracting with my illusions. That's what I am struggling for. That's what I am struggling with every day, every hour, every second. Even while walking, even while eating food, even while watching movies, even while watching phone, even while watching, studying, learning, even while writing, even while standing or doing anything, I'm just easily distracting with my illusions. That's my problem. I'm struggling with it. So I want to clear it, and I want to improve and enhance my communication skills and enhance my topics, enhance my clarity on Terraform topics. So today let me talk about Terraform modules. Terraform module is a container, that is a set of configuration files and related resources are kept in one place to manage together. How is this sentence? The sentence is clumsy and it doesn't have a clarity at all. So that's what I am struggling to. And these modules are used to organize, encapsulate and reuse infrastructure code. It means Terraform creates infrastructure. Infrastructure means network, servers, databases, storage. So to create a server, we need to write infrastructure. To create a network, we need to write infrastructure. But we work with multiple environments. In multiple environments, we need to create infrastructure. To create infrastructure across multiple environments, we need to provision infrastructure through Terraform. But writing everything from the scratch for every environment is a headache, and it takes long period of time, and there will be code duplication. So to prevent that, we use modules. So this is where organize comes in. Organize means writing a module for network, writing a module for server, writing a module for storage. This is how we organize code and infrastructure to reuse it. And encapsulate. Encapsulate means hiding the internal resource definitions and showing up the input values and output values. Input values to pass into module and output values to consume from module. These are essential and these are parameters of the module. That's it. What the module is, this is a module. And finally, reuse. A module can be reused across multiple environments. That's why modules are used. That's how modules are used. You know, this is how I structured my thoughts. I need to make it clear and I need to structure my thoughts more clearly. So then I speak more clearly. If I structure my thoughts clearly, then I will speak clearly. Today, I learned about so many things. I understand so many things. I understand about Terraform topics more clearly with broad experience. I have been learning from the past 4 days. Today, I excelled myself. I experienced myself, what I am, what I learned up to now, and where I am, and how my progression is actually, and how I am going to develop. And these things, a little bit of happiness making me distract. I'm just leaving my book and leaving my laptop at there and wandering in my house, wandering outside my house and chatting with my sister, chatting with my mother, and not caring and not focusing on the process. There is a huge and there is a lot to do and to learn. But I am distracting with my illusions. Yes, I get that. I'm going to be a better person. I'm going to be a wonderful person. I'm going to get everything in the world. That's how my illusions are there. They are distracting me. But I don't want to be like this because I want to focus on the process. I want to excel the Terraform knowledge. We just have to improve ourselves. To improve ourselves, we have to pay attention on the task at hand. Without attention, without concentration, without focus, nothing will happen. So, from tomorrow onwards, I am going to follow a strict a timer to learn and to enhance my knowledge on Terraform. Thank you.